Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I cook Ofe Ukazi with AKPURUAKPA MGBAM, molded egusi known as AKPURUAKPA MGBAM. Exactly what you see on the screen. So if you like to eat Okazi soup, Ofe Ukazi soup with molded egusi, but you don't know how to make it, or it's stressful using the mortar, or you live abroad but you don't know how to make it, please keep watching. I'm going to show you how to prepare your molded egusi without mortar and how to cook this yummy Ofe Ukazi with AKPURUAKPA, exactly what you see on the screen. So let's dive into it together, everyone. All right, so here is our Okazi leaf. It is sliced already, and then I have the thickener. I'm using ofor as a thickener. So this is what ofor look like. I'm using it to thicken the Ofe Ukazi we are cooking. So my number one ingredient is the stockfish. The stockfish head known as cod. This very stockfish head is very tasty and it gives a nice flavor to your soup. In fact, while cooking it, the aroma is always taking over the whole place. And when making this Ofe Ukazi soup with that stockfish head, your soup is not complete, everyone. It's like that. If you're making it for Igbo man, you must add this stockfish. In fact, don't add meat, but make sure there is enough stockfish to go with. And then with this fish known as asa, is a very tasty fish that you must add for Okazi. So if you're cooking it for Igbo man, this soup is a very nice soup. It is used for ceremonies like wedding and wedding anniversary, any traditional party. This soup must be served. If it's not there, then that party is not complete. So here's my yellow chili pepper. I love to use yellow chili pepper for my soups because it adds this nice flavor to your soup and nice aroma. Give it a try and give me your comment at the comment section down below. Then to wash the stockfish, I add hot water and allow it to soak for 2 minutes to kill any insects stuck between. And for the AKPURUAKPA egusi, I have blended onions. I have osu. Osu is used to make your molded egusi firm. Without this also, your molded egusi will not be firm. It will all scatter or spill all over your soup. So for you to achieve that firmness of AKPURUAKPA egusi, you must add osu. So to make it, I add my dry pepper, I add salt, then I'll use a turning stick to mix it to combine. Mix to combine. Next, I will add my osu. Then I will also mix this to combine. Remember, also helps to make the molded egusi firm. Your AKPURUAKPA egusi, for it to come out firm, you need to add enough of that also, depending on the quantity of AKPURUAKPA egusi you are making. Next, I add my blended onions and mix to combine. Just mix the same way you would mix dough to get a dough for your pizza, your cake, your meat pie. Is the same procedure. Now I added warm water and continue to mix. You mix this till it brings us oil, but everyone, some egusi don't bring oil depending on the type of egusi. Like the one I'm using right now, I needed it, it did not bring out oil. But I didn't bring out oil does not mean that it is bad. What really matters is that your AKPURUAKPA egusi comes out with emotions and it is properly molded, it does not scatter. So this is what you're going to do. You continue kneading this until it is firm enough to mold without scattering. So this is it. At this point, I'm going to start molding it to the shapes that I want. You could mold mold it into round shape like a ball. You can make it flat, but I love to make my flats. So everyone, we're making Okazi soup with AKPURUAKPA Egusi, molded Egusi, AKPURUAKPA MGBAM. Everyone, Ofe Umuahia Ukazi style. Okay, so if you go for any occasion in Umuahia land, they've not served you this soup, you know the party have not started, must be served. So this is what it looks like after molding. So to cook it so it won't scatter, I put water on fire and bring it to a boil. When the water gets boiled, I'll add my molded egusi inside. And what I do after adding it, I don't cover the pot immediately, because doing that might just scatter the whole molded egusi. So I allow it to boil. Then this is what our molded egusi look like. I boiled it for 20 minutes. So you see the egusi comes out very firm. It did not scatter. So please, when cooking your molded egusi, boil water first before you add your molded egusi. In that way, it will not spill or scatter all over. It will be firm, exactly what you see on the screen. So next, my stockfish, fish, everything is already in the pot. I didn't show you how to cook meat because my meat is already boiled and set aside. If you want to learn how I prepare meat for my soups, please click one of the link down below to watch that. So at this point, I'm adding my parboiled molded egusi or AKPURUAKPA MGBAM to the main pots of the soup. And here I will add my blended yellow chilli. I love the aroma this gives to the soup. Please do try it, you will understand. It's very tasty. So at this point, I add my yellow chilli, add salt. Then I will add the quantity of the water I want to use for my soup. Okay. Hello everyone, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Then at this point also, I added palm oil and crayfish. I want to allow everything to cook together so that the soup water will be properly cooked, and so that the miro fege ofuma, that is how they say it in Igbo, to make your miro fege ofuma. So you see the look when you allow your soup water to boil. So at this point, I just added the thickener. I'm using ofor. And after adding this thickener, the next thing I'm doing is to add egusi, some blended egusi, and I'm doing this to brighten the face of the soup so that it won't look brown. You know, you're serving this to masses. Even the one for the house, the face of the soup attracts. So if it is brown, you won't really like it even when it's tasty. So you see what the face look like. So our soup, Okazi soup, is almost ready, and here is the Okazi. I'm giving it a wash. I'm going to give it wash it very properly to get rid of any dents or insects that might be in between. Okay, all right everyone, thanks all my genuine subscribers for all your support, and please do share my video if you have the ability to do so too. And please don't forget to thumbs up after watching. It means a lot for me. And leave your comments. Let me know what you like about this video and where to improve. All right, so I just added my Okazi leaf, and our Okazi soup, Ofe Ukazi, is almost ready, though not yet ready. So at this point, I'm going to add this meat. I didn't add all those meats at the beginning because it is properly cooked and seasoned. So I used cow foods and cow head for the soup. It's very yummy everyone. You can see this. Our soup is ready. This can be eaten with any swallow of your choice: eba, samvita, samo, fufu, pounded yam. The choice is yours everyone. So Okazi soup, Ofe Ukazi, is ready, and it's not supposed to be too thick
or too watery. So if you look at the soup on the screen, it is not thick. So this is our AKPURUAKPA Egusi. It comes out perfectly well, firm in the soup. It did not scatter. So I'm transferring this into a cooler. Remember, it is party Ofe Ukazi. Party Okazi soup, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support always, all my genuine subscribers. And if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please do thumbs up for me, do like, comment and share, and equally subscribe for more videos like this. And if you're already a friend or you are returning, thanks for coming back, and do like, comment and share. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video. Bye for now.